we're still stacking on this support. I really hope we can, go to the downside and keep the positive streak after those two losses we had, more than two, sorry. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum. We had that quick short last night, stop at break even, and here you can clearly see level that need to be flipped. Now is this one. Okay, clear. Let me just mute the WhatsApp, please. Oh, okay, did it. Right? So this is the mega range we are in at the moment. Two lines, one box, and you can clearly have the levels we need to flip to be bullish or flip to the downside to be bearish. Okay, you don't need too much tools or indicator as I have here. They are always side. Okay, the indicators comes on a second layer for me. Okay, the main one is the price action. Look, if we go to the higher time frame, the level are pretty respected. Okay, this line and this line, without even knowing what there was on the previous price action. So let's take a look at total. Okay, we touched the 75 level we discussed last stream, I think. Yes, last streaming we talked about this level. We had some relief. Now we need to have a continuation about this box here to print on our longs. All right. Let me know then in the comments here if you want to see any kind of chart, and we can chart together. Then today I wanted to short silver, where we were, like here, more or less, this afternoon. Would have been, I don't know, maybe 1 hour trade, because my idea was to short here with stop loss at 118. Yeah, it would have been like 1 hour trade, nothing special, to be honest. I don't know, maybe it could retrace a bit, but metals are still leading, as you can clearly see from gold, guys. Okay. Unbelievable run for gold. Yeah. This is what I thought, guys. Up here, I thought we would have had like an A wave, a B wave, a C wave after the great expansion we had from the beginning. Okay, and losing this level here will bring gold to the down. Okay. Then XRP is still very weak, in my opinion. Okay, we are still in this range. This one here, it had a good deviation down here, but if we still trade in this range, it's nothing special. Break above this, we can target higher levels. Okay, Aster, here we go. Okay, this is the level. We mark it up once we add the long setup that has been stopped. I don't know if we call it or not. I don't remember. Or maybe it was a break even. I need to check the trade log. By the way, we tapped it down again. So until we are below this level, here one, clear resistance, I'm still short for it. Great river. Long it. Who had nuts? Okay. So if we can reclaim this level, it's obviously good long, in my opinion. Okay. Higher low, higher high. Maybe we can have something like what's the highlighter? I never use it. Something like this, then up, retest it, then up. If we can close at least a 1 day candle above this box, could be an easy long to position like this right here. Like an invalidation like this. And yeah, maybe you can target this eye here. 6 hour trade with 5%. I see almost 6% invalidation. Could be a great one. River. Koala called a short on river. I think yesterday was it. We talked about river last stream, I think, or maybe the previous one. We marked this level, retested up. So until we are on this uptrend, it's an uptrend. If we can break below this level here, it can turn bearish. You can target this level and yeah, this level. Okay. Yeah, look, these are here. These are the main 3 levels. These 3 lines. Let me just check the trend line. Yeah. Lose this trend, retest the first green line here and turn bearish. But as of now, it's still a good one. Yeah. 55. It's gone lower time frame. Okay. So there's this spike here, mate. That could be a good one. Why it's like this? Wait, sorry. Here. Okay. Watch out, because this could be a level. Could maybe top this level here. You can clearly see. Okay. We have this spike here, this level here, and the 75 level. It's in line with this demand deviation up. Retest on up. So maybe we can target it here and then up. Watch out, because your entry price is 48.827. We're just retracing a bit now. Let's see some POCs of, yeah, look at the POCs we have here. So clearly we can have a move like this, and then up. Okay, let me see the quarter view up on 4 hour. Obviously, it's way down. Let me see also the EMAs. We lost the 50 EMAs on 4 hour. We have the 200 EMAs here on 75 level. We lost the EMAs on 1 hour, of course. Yeah, watch out, mate. We could have a bit of relief to the price here and then up. Okay. Then I saw on X last night that some people were longing on Zen. I was like, no, not now. It's on a good level, but we lost the range. Sorry, the golden pocket on this range. Okay, we tap a 0.886 level. No good reaction. We tested to the downside, the 0.75, 0.786 area with a bearish retest. And I don't know, maybe we can also break this level here, go down again here on Zen. So I'm not that bullish at the moment. If we want to be bullish, we need to flip, obviously, this level. Okay? You can clearly see it. Level, level, deviation, up, retest, boom, expansion. Retest the level, lose it, lost it, sorry, retest, down. Now we are in this range, retest, down. Wanna be bullish on Zen? Take this, retest, up. Short, up, down here. Otherwise, don't touch it. Don't touch it, right? Then let's take a look at the hype call we had, okay? We closed the top today, so very nice. Good read on this. And what can I say? Banger trade, of course, but it was an easy one. We had some confluences on higher time frame. We had the most important 0.75 level of the whole price action from the low down here to the highest point up here, 0.75. We could this peak here to 9R. Okay, it was easy to spot this one. And also you can see that the 0.75 level, it's in line with this demand zone here. We close the top, we longed the bottom. Perfect, this one. Then we have FET. You had seen the chart I sent on my corner. This is a good level. If we can flip this, we can have a great run. But I want to see a bit of support from... now we are exactly at the break even. Okay. And CAS, USDT.P, same one, has a good level that must be flipped. Look at the deviation reclaim we had here. Okay. This one. And if we go on lower time frame, we can clearly see that we are trying to wait, what is it here? Brush. We are trying to get above this level here. Okay, so if we can have a bit of strength, boom, up. Aoist would have been still alive. We close it. Never mind, profits are profits. And this one, we had a great first TP, and then came back. And the last one that could be a great one, and I don't know if I should call it or not, it's Litecoin. We still have a great swing. If we go on higher time frame, guys, it's a potential banger. This one, guys. Imagine if we can catch this one, ATR trade. Of course, we would close it before, but this would be legit. Sorry. Gun. As I already said, 2 lines, and you can clearly see what are your triggers. Here. Here. At the moment, we are just on this little support. As you can see, this area here. I don't know, it's not even like a great support. I wouldn't touch it as of now. I would wait for a confirmation flipping these 2 levels here, at least. Okay. Then when I see coins like Gun with these kind of big spikes, I don't like at all. Okay. But yeah, if you want to have some confirmation, wait for this level here. Okay, George. Then we have Sui. Sui, like, guys, it's like dying day by day. Very, very weak. This is a very, very, very weak coin at the moment. I wouldn't touch it. Then we had BNB. I wanted to long here. We had our peak. Okay, I wanted to long here in this POC. We stop loss down here. The range where was this one here. The range was from here to here. Okay. I wanted a sweep here, then up, and we didn't get it. We waited for the peak, but then we didn't got it. Never mind. Next one. Okay, so we are 11 people, guys. Anyone with other question? Meanwhile, if you want to see certain coin or I don't know. What else interesting we have here? Yeah, Sol gained back an important level. To be honest, I wanted to have Sol down here, guys. Look, if we have taken this low here, would have been a great catch, like with limits, like here, as Exo loves, taking the spikes out. Okay. And this would have been the target level. But we didn't took out this low here. Okay. But now we can add a couple of alerts because I think not today, maybe tomorrow we could take out this low here. So let's just add some alerts. Okay. Would be a quick limit with like fill and up. Stop loss break even, because if we start to lose the level, we can clearly go and seek this level here. Boom. Okay. Alerts, and we wait. Meanwhile, USDT, how it's going? Coming back. Fed is at break even. You can DCA on CAS, of course, if you want. And how is going CAS? Let me see on the other exchange. My AP is 0.03987 on Bluefin, and on BTCC it's 0.04. And now the price is 39.72. Fed is break even. Let's wait where we go. Doing amazing work. Thank you so much. So kind, Crypto Gambit. Do you think Lit will move after hype? I don't know, because Lit Fuck. Where did we long this motherfucker? Wait a second, please. What was the setup I sent? Where is the setup I sent? Longer. Okay, this one. Oh shit. Okay. So we had 3 minutes. We longer like this. Where was it? It's 21st January. Okay. Okay, yeah, found it. Sorry, my bad. Here. Or less. With. Okay. Yeah, it was something like this. Okay, so dang, so much price action after our stop loss. But yeah, okay, never mind. Sorry, let's start from blank. And wait. My bad. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So yeah, as soon as we are above this box, it's a great one. That wasn't the moment to. Now it's not the moment to long it. To be honest. Okay, we had this great drop. The idea was to have this deviation and then ups. Okay, but then we started to roll in this shitty price action. So now, if you want a continuation, wait a flip of this level here. Okay. Sorry for the time waste looking for lead, but we found it. So yeah, definitely wait for 2.05 level to be flipped. All right. Yeah. 1.7 was the stop loss last time. Gold is still going. Unbelievable. And what do we have also here? That was in if we can. Okay. So as soon as it stays below this line here, it's not good. But if we flip it, we can really look for a swing long on INA. Okay, if we go on higher time frame, we can clearly see where are the level. Okay, so if we get this deviation, what the fuck just happened? Sorry. Okay, this deviation here, reclaiming the level, be a good swing. I hate trading view when it does something, these things. Okay, we have so much liquidity here in this downtrend that needs to be taken out. Okay, these hikes here, these hikes here, this high, this high, this high. Could even be like 50-hour trade, I don't know. But as of now, it's still bearish. If we gain back that level, it's a good one. Okay. What else do we have here? Maybe Rune. Rune, because I think it was dying. Yeah, I wanted Rune down here. I look at it this morning. Down here. Could pump a giga long if given. Okay. It could pump a giga long. Okay, so we can have this setup here. Otherwise, if we go on the other strategy, we have this level here, and also this one here. And that could be like a flip. You can position here, or even better here. That is the main one, okay? For a continuation to the upside. Let me know in the comment if you have any question or chart you want to see. Oh yeah, I was keeping an eye on Beam. Oh, deviation, divergence already play out. Okay, never mind. Zach is still on our level. TRX shade. It was a risky one, guys. We have our peak here. The entry would have been like this one, but I went on Niger time frame, okay, and the range was from the bottom here, and we weren't in the golden pocket, and I decided to not take it. Okay, because if we go on this range here, we lost the 0.886 level, and the first range that I like is the one from this bottom here. So I would wait for new levels like here, like this one here, with like 3% invalidation. Yeah, but TRX, it's a very slow coin. It's a coin that respects so much the levels, but it's a slow one. Okay, so we would have like something like, something like this with like 3 bits maybe. Okay, so we can lower our entry price and have like a 3-hour trade instead of a 2.4. Why not Bitcoin short for now? Because we are in the middle of nowhere at the moment. Okay. I quickly, no, I took a short here before the opening. My entry price was something like this with stop loss at 9. What did I said? Maybe like something like this. When we were, I was away from keyboard. I brought stop loss break even. Then I was hanging out and I closed the position like like here, to be honest. And as soon as we closed I closed the position, boom. We retested perfectly the Monday hike. So now we are dumping out of nowhere. Perfect. I don't know. We are in this shitty price action. We need confirmation to the upside for Bitcoin or to the downside to short it, bro. We don't have any clear. Yeah, the thing that you can do is like wait the Monday high to be broke, then goes down to the Monday low. That is this one here. Okay. So you can have like something like this, like a 4.6 hour trade if you want. But you need to wait this flip if you want to play with the Monday range. Then you asked me for OP. OP. I hate this. These weeks on the chart. Fuck. No, wait. This seems like an alert, so let's make it green. So, what do we have? Let's go lower time frame. I don't know. Obviously, it was a good one too long on this reclaim. If something like this, of course. But after the things happens, it's always good to say you should have been doing this one. Okay, this would have been a 4-hour trade. But so as long as we stay above this green line, it's a good one. And we can like target this eye here. Okay, it's our range eye. So then if we gain back this level, we can easily target this one. Again. Yeah. And if we go, look, you see it? I put the line when we were here. I go back and what I find, a great level here. Okay. Levels are always respected. Look, boom, retest the level. Up, look at the expansion. So yeah, I would wait for the reclaim this level and then with this one. Okay. Any other thing, guys? Ethereum, we already took a look streaming. Still, we discussed this range here. And this is it, guys. All right. Okay, so if you don't have any question, I wish you all a great night. We'll keep an eye on our two longs, FAT and CAS. We see what Bitcoin want to do. At least we didn't have any kind of strange wicks during FOMC. Let's see if we can have a bit of strength, but the thing is that we need to lose this fucking green box here. At least. We're pumping again on this fucking one. All right. Guys, thank you all for joining the stream. I wish you a great night. Catch you later. Gonna watch a bit Dortmund Inter. And let's see. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night, everyone. Bye, guys. Thanks to you.